Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Broadband Integration Day 2025. I'm Steph Reck, VP of Sales and Partnerships here at Sonar Software, and it's an absolute privilege to have you with us today. I am joined by Rick Seaman, Sonar's VP of Product. Rich is not just the the brain behind the product here at Sonar. He's actually a former ISP operator himself, and he's walked in your shoes. He knows what it means to connect the dots between field teams, subscriber data, billing, and the network. And he brings real world experience perspective of someone who's built a network from the ground up and now shapes how our product helps ISPs scale smarter. You'll hear from Rick all throughout the day, and we'll be unpacking the why and the how behind the integration together in each session.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Steph. I'm excited to be a part of this important event. So, as you all know, to succeed today, an ISP needs more than a solid network. You need systems that work together and work for you, not the other way around. Integrations aren't just lines of code, they're literally the bridge between operational scale and customer delight. There's no question that the broadband industry is a challenging place to thrive. Competition's hot, customer expectations are hotter, and your tech stack has to deliver.
Yeah, the broadband landscape is shifting. There's price wars, there's rising expectations, and operational complexity are the kind of the new norm. So we're here today because we want to simplify and we want to amplify. We're here also to showcase how integrations aren't just technical, they're transformational.
Absolutely. And when done right, integration should act as a catalyst for growth, right? In the beginning, ISPs will inevitably start with basically a patchwork of systems. You've got manual billing, you're maybe doing inventory in a spreadsheet, maybe you're creatively using an accounting platform as a CRM. Does that sound familiar to anybody?
Mhm.
What's quickly found if you're doing this is that this fragmentation slows growth and it makes automation very challenging. You end up with data silos and fragmented workflows. You've got a lack of visibility across your departments, and you're doing manual provisioning that feeds into support delays. And integration is how you punch above your weight, right? You must automate your billing and provisioning. And from here, you can level up by personalizing the customer experience by using AI or context aware communication tools. And investments like these will pave a road to scaling effectively without endlessly throwing people at the problem. And we all know that's the most expensive way to solve a problem.
All right, so integrations directly tied to increased ARPU. We'll lean into some feedback and sharing information from Actify later today. Network traffic optimization through QoE. Preseam's going to touch on this for us. And lower churn, improving your customer experience and your self service. So think of the BSS as a central nervous system, right? Every integration is a sensor or a limb extending your capabilities. SaaS plus APIs equals faster deployment without added complexity. Our partners are here today and have been selected for one reason. They make our ISPs more competitive.
100%. Essentially, this is how ISPs can scale without sacrificing quality. If you build one clean, connected ecosystem.
Yeah, so each session today is going to run about 30 minutes with our partners. We're going to then have a live Q&A, and these are designed to be actionable. We're going to feature Actify, Avalara, GoCare, Calix, Preseam, Adtran, and more. Use the live Q&A comment section and ask tough questions. We're going to challenge the status quo today.
Awesome. I'm excited. And I'm going to give you a little sneak peek at what you can expect to see from our partners today. How you can automate provisioning from Sonar directly into Adtran's Mosaic cloud platform, eliminating clunky swivel chair workflows and helping you to scale faster and more effectively. How Preseam uses network data to drive dynamic QoE enforcement and optimization, helping you to maximize capacity while minimizing your support engagement. And from automating service provisioning via SMX to dynamically updating their powerful cloud platform, Calix's integrated solutions can help you unlock untapped efficiencies and improve the customer experience. You'll hear how Actify plugs directly into Sonar to guide buyers to optimize their plan selection before they even call. That's AI-powered CX, and it's driving up ARPU and conversions for real customers today. You'll learn how Avalara takes the complexity out of telecom tax compliance. Integrated directly into Sonar, you can take advantage of automated tax calculations, letting your finance team finally sleep at night, even during reporting season. And finally, GoCare will close the loop with stateful customer messaging solutions. Whether it be a network outage or an overdue bill, Sonar and GoCare work together in sync to notify the right customers in the right ways.
Yeah, so again, we're going to think of Sonar's OSS BSS platform as this central nervous system that lets everything else connect and flow. Whether you're a new WISP or a growing regional fiber provider or even a hybrid network provider, we're built to scale with you. So Sonar is expanding our partner program to ensure we meet the needs of our growing client base and their expanding needs. And if you're interested in becoming a Sonar partner or have a referral, please send those directly to me, Steph Reck. The email is easystep.rec@sonar.software. I'm just going to make that super easy for folks. We love to get those referrals. Rick and I are vetting all of our partners, and we want to make sure that we get the right partners on the path to partnership.
Absolutely. So, without further ado, let's get started.